What's up, guys? You know it. This is your boy Tyree, and I got another banger for you guys. It has this app I'm about to talk about. It has been a huge buzz on the internet, so I have to talk about it, and is 100% legit. And the app I'm gonna be talking about, you know it, the Zynn app. The Zynn app is like the new TikTok. Okay, so the way the Zynn app works, I'm gonna show you. About to hop on this computer. Actually, I'm gonna show you on the phone and stuff. So you see how everything works out. Works. So I'm gonna show you on the phone a little bit, but in the midst of it, it's passive income. So TikTok, being on TikTok, is not earning money. But on this app, you can earn money every single day. People's making hundreds or even thousands. There's one dude I follow. He made over $1,000 in 24 hours. Shout out to him, Tech Hustler. So people's really making money. But sad news, unfortunately, you can't cash out. They just closed the cash out just like 2 days ago. But I was able to cash out just to test things out to see if this app is legit. So you can check the screenshot right here. Yeah. So it's only 30 cents, but it's legit. I didn't even have to do anything. Just watch the video. But let me get right into the app. And if you're not already, I know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell, so every time I push out new videos, you will be notified. So let's get right into the app, and I'm gonna show you the application, how it works and stuff, the referral program they have. And if you watch this video to the end, I figure out the way. It only works on Androids. Like, I can automate the whole process of the Zynn app, so to automate it. So if you do sign up as well through my link, and you can shoot me an email, and if I see that your name on the app that you signed under me, I'm gonna send you the software. The software is free, okay? But there's a pro version of the software as well. The automation software is dirt cheap. It's like about $5 or $6. It's gonna be worth it because you do the hard work one time and you automate the process. So I'm gonna tell you the secret app as well. That's only once you sign up through my link below. I'm gonna definitely leave my link below and enter my code, and I'm gonna also put it on the screen as well. Yeah, so enter my code, and once you enter the code and stuff, you're gonna automatically get a sign up bonus of $1. Okay, and it's cool. It's a good app. I've seen a lot of payment proof. People's withdrawing. You could withdraw up to $50 max. So you got five. Then at the first, a good thing I was fortunate, like 2 days ago before the shutdown, that the cash withdraw through PayPal, because the overload, people's gonna jump onto it and make a lot of money and share this to their friends and family. It's just a matter of time. It's gonna go to a crash. So right now, it's down right now. There should be a backup. We don't know, but they have gift cards. So let me just go to the back office on my phone. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So I switch it to my phone. Okay, guys. So stay tuned. What's up, guys? We are in the Zynn app. Okay. So as you guys can see, I got $7.71 in my account. Unfortunately, I cannot withdraw. See, guys, due to the higher than expected traffic, due to millions of people catching on to this, we're experiencing technical difficulties with our cash withdrawal system. We are working hard to resume this service, but unfortunately, do not have an estimate date at this time. During this interim period, users can redeem their accumulated rewards through the newly launched gift card system. That's good, man. They being very transparent. They're not hiding anything. I feel, I don't know. Who knows if they run out of money or anything like that. But once the system is up and running, it'd be good to withdraw. Okay. So let me show you what they have. So right now, I got 2 estimate value. These go by points. So the most you could earn a day, guys, just on watching videos is $1.09 a day. So I was able to earn $1.09, about $1.09 a day. It's over a little over $1. I wish there was no cap space to it as well. But unfortunately, what can you do? So the gift cards they have is cool. They have the $1. They have the $1 gift card, right? All you do is put your email address and you can redeem the gift card. All right. So you can redeem the gift card, $1. They have a $5. So the maximum, even with the withdrawal app, you can withdraw $50. So the app, it's in itself, you only could withdraw you only could withdraw once a day. So once a day. So that's why I like to maximize it. And if I get up to $50, you can withdraw once per day. Like that $50 you can withdraw. So that's like $50 a day and stuff. But they got Domino's. I wish they added more gift cards. They have Walmart. That's cool. Walmart as well. But they have Domino's. They have Amazon. I wish they have more varieties. They should have more varieties soon. But they only have Sephora, guys. They have Whopper. They have I don't know what this is, but they have Target, Dunkin' Donuts, CVS, Apple Store, iTunes, Domino's, Walmart, of course, and then Amazon. I would probably stick to the Amazon because I do get stuff from Amazon, so I'll stick to probably Amazon. But this is a cool part that you can still withdraw gift cards opposed to shutting everything down. You know what I mean? So we could still redeem rewards through gift cards. So I'm showing you. So the way it works is this, guys. The way it works is how to earn money is basically, I will go to right real quick. You go to where it says and then you just flip it. But mine is done for today because they have a cap space. The cap space is 10,000 points. Once you hit over 10,000 points, you got to wait till tomorrow to do another 10,000. So that's why I say you can earn up to $1.09 per day. Okay. So you guys see it. You see how it works. They giving us the opportunity. I refer my mom to this. I earned $6, which is cool. So it takes about I noticed it takes about 2 days for pending approval. So give it about 2 days for pending approval. So you get the $6. So you can make up to $20 per person. Okay, so the more they watch videos, that's what they said. Invite 5 friends and you could earn $110. That's why I noticed that you can really make bank with this just on the referral side. Because if you refer friends and refer people, they're gonna sign up. It's a no-brainer because they're on social media anyway. So why not go on a platform and be entertained from other people and watch videos and get paid for it? That's the cool part about it. So you get paid to watch videos and earn points. It's a no-brainer. So it's like you're billing rewards every single day. So what I do is I set this up. I have this automation software. I set it up. And then from there, I push the record, and it does everything on autopilot for me. So I don't have to keep swiping. It does all the swiping for me, and I just have it playing out, and I'm good. You know, so it's just watch the videos and stuff. I don't have no followers, but you know, so it's all good. So you enter this code BN, all capital, BNKD6FZ, as in zebra. That's it. Guys, you watch. There's a lot of entertaining videos I could show you real quick. There's a lot. It's entertaining. You know, people do all sorts of crazy. It's just like TikTok, but they have their own. They have their own way of doing things, and you're getting paid for it just to watch people acting like a fool. You know. You know. So you see this right here. You know, look at this. Entertaining. You're gonna see a gold bar going around. Unfortunately,